It's good to see you again. Welcome to English quiz time. Are you feeling a bit negative today? Let's use those negative feelings into a present negative tense quiz. Before we begin the quiz, let's check the definitions for this tense. Guys, I know it's a lot to read, but I want to give you the best I can. Feel free to pause the video and read this paragraph. Don't forget to like this video too. Let's get started without quiz. 1. Which of the following sentences is in the present negative tense? A. She eats pizza every Friday. B. He doesn't eat meat. C. They will go to the party tomorrow. The answer is B. He doesn't eat meat. Explanation. The sentence, he doesn't eat meat, is in the present negative tense because of the use of doesn't, which is the negative form of does, with the base form of the verb, eat. 2. Choose the correct negative form of the verb, to study, for the pronoun, I. A. I study. B. I don't study. C. I isn't study. The answer is B. I don't study. Explanation. The correct negative form of to study, for the pronoun, I, is, I don't study, where don't is the negative auxiliary verb used with the base form of the verb, study. 3. Which sentence is in the present negative tense? A. We go to the beach every summer. B. She doesn't like coffee. C. They will arrive at noon. The answer is B. She doesn't like coffee. Explanation. The sentence, she doesn't like coffee, is in the present negative tense because of the use of doesn't, which is the negative form of does, with the base form of the verb, like. 4. Select the correct negative form of the verb, to speak, for the pronoun, they. A. They speaks. B. They don't speak. C. They isn't speak. The answer is B. They don't speak. Explanation. The correct negative form of to speak, for the pronoun, they, is they don't speak, where don't is the negative auxiliary verb used with the base form of the verb, speak. 5. Which sentence demonstrates the present negative tense? A. He plays basketball every day. B. She doesn't watch TV in the morning. C. We will visit the museum next week. The answer is B. She doesn't watch TV in the morning. Explanation. The sentence she doesn't watch TV in the morning is in the present negative tense because of the use of doesn't, which is the negative form of does, with the base form of the verb, watch. 6. Choose the correct negative form of the verb, to dance, for the pronoun, we. A. We dances. B. We don't dance. C. We isn't dance. The answer is B. We don't dance. Explanation. The correct negative form of to dance, for the pronoun, we, is we don't dance, where don't is the negative auxiliary verb used with the base form of the verb, dance. 7. Which sentence is in the present negative tense? A. They eat lunch at noon. B. She didn't finish her homework yesterday. C. He doesn't drink soda. The answer is C. He doesn't drink soda. Explanation. The sentence he doesn't drink soda is in the present negative tense because of the use of doesn't, which is the negative form of does, with the base form of the verb, drink. 8. Select the correct negative form of the verb, to write, for the pronoun, she. A. She write. B. She doesn't write. C. She isn't write. The answer is B. She doesn't write. Explanation. The correct negative form of to write, for the pronoun, she, is she doesn't write, where doesn't is the negative auxiliary verb used with the base form of the verb, write. 9. Which sentence demonstrates the present negative tense? A. They visit their grandparents every weekend. B. He doesn't drive a car. C. We went to the concert last night. The answer is B. He doesn't drive a car. Explanation. The sentence he doesn't drive a car is in the present negative tense because of the use of doesn't, which is the negative form of does, with the base form of the verb drive. 10. Choose the correct negative form of the verb to swim. For the pronoun you, A. You swims, B. You don't swim, C. You isn't swim. The answer is B. You don't swim. Explanation. The correct negative form of to swim for the pronoun you is you don't swim where don't is the negative auxiliary verb used with the base form of the verb swim. 11. Which sentence is in the present negative tense? A. She reads books every night, B. They didn't finish their project on time, C. We don't eat spicy food. The answer is C. We don't eat spicy food. Explanation. The sentence we don't eat spicy food is in the present negative tense because of the use of don't, which is the negative auxiliary verb with the base form of the verb eat. Select the correct negative form of the verb to sleep for the pronoun it. A. It sleeps, B. It doesn't sleep, C. It isn't sleep. B. It doesn't sleep. Explanation. The correct negative form of to sleep for the pronoun it is it doesn't sleep. In the present tense, doesn't is the negative auxiliary verb used with the base form of the verb sleep. 13. Which sentence demonstrates the present negative tense? A. They play soccer every Saturday, B. She didn't like the movie, C. He doesn't speak French. The answer is C. He doesn't speak French. Explanation. The sentence he doesn't speak French is in the present negative tense because of the use of doesn't, which is the negative form of does, with the base form of the verb speak. 14. Choose the correct negative form of the verb to run for the pronoun we. A. We runs, B. We don't run, C. We isn't run. The answer is B. We don't run. Explanation. The correct negative form of to run for the pronoun we is we don't run where don't is the negative auxiliary verb used with the base form of the verb un. 15. Which sentence is in the present negative tense? A. She walks to school every morning, B. He doesn't play video games, C. We went to the zoo last weekend. The answer is B. He doesn't play video games. Explanation. The sentence he doesn't play video game and quad is in the present negative tense because of the use of doesn't, which is the negative form of does. Hey! Are you still here? If you are, thanks for watching this video. Was it difficult for you? Comment your score and let's chat more. Please like and subscribe. Check out our other videos over here. Until next time.